Okay, so in this video we'll talk about break and continue statement in the loops. Now this is important because this will help us to control the looping of any loop for or while loop. So let's see. So we'll first see what are these are the some statements in loop. So first is we are going to learn about break statement. Okay, so what is break statement? Basically used to exit a loop early. Basically it is early exiting the loop where I want to loop till certain value, but I just want to break the loop earlier. I will see an example, and then we have another important statement, continue statement, which is basically used to skip an iteration of the loop. Okay, so like we'll see that. So break statement for letter in Python, if letter equals to let's say h, I want you to break, and then we'll print current letter would be letter. So you see current letter is pyt, and once it has h, it has, ideally it was supposed to go till n, right? But we just used a break statement to come out of the loop early. And then we'll see the continue statement. Similarly, what will happen, we'll use the same code. That's the beauty, right? Same code, how we are using it can help us to learn. Continue, continue. Okay, so what will happen, it will skip that h, so the output will be pyton. Okay, let's see, pyton. So it has skipped that iteration, which was the h1 iteration, right? Okay, so let me show you. Enumerate index, and I will, before print, I will print the index here. So the third index, which basically it has skipped. Okay, so I think that's all for the loops. I think we covered mostly what we need to know about the loops in Python. See you on another video.